Good morning, students. I am Surya Jha, your teacher, Department of English. Today, we will read English Reader Book, Unit 7. The title of the story is Night Witches. Night Witches. And yes, the name of the title is very unique. As you can see here, the title is Night Witch. So, before going on the story, I would like to tell you something about the author who wrote this story and what is about him or her. So, student, you must know the name of the author. The name of the author is Megan Garner. Now, who is Megan Garner? The Megan Garner is a staff writer at the Atlantic of an American magazines, where she covers culture part. You know, the culture means the standard of living, the religions, the caste, creed, and you can say customs, duties. All those things are abounded with culture, and Megan Garner is, as I have said, is a staff writer and always works for the magazine of America. The name of the magazine is The Atlantic. Now come to the story. And this story is about World War II. You can say Second World War. Second World War. It was the period. Once so many countries are in the field of fight. There are two groups. One, Soviet Russia, and the other Germany. Both Soviet and Russia were leading different groups. And it is said that the bombers of German were very brave. The bombers of Germans have so many equipments to fight with enemy, but at the same time the condition of Russia was not so good, and but in the fight they created many things and continue their fight. And it is an occurrence of 588th night, when the bomber regiment decorated their planes with the flowers and dropped 23,000 tons of bombs in Germany. Who dropped the bombs? The Soviet bombers, the bomber regiment, night bomber regiment. This is the name of the regiment, 588th night bomber regiment. This is the name of a troop. This is the name of a group of army of Soviet Russia, and they dropped 23,000 tons of bombs. Where? In Germany. It was the spring of 1943. At the height of World War II, two pilots, members of the Soviet Air Force, were flying their Manners Policar POV PO2. Again, this is the names of the plane. You have already seen that each and every country writes the name of the planes and the equipments, stoves, guns, etc. Like that, this is the name of the plane, Policar POV-PO2. With this flight, two Air Force commandos of Soviet Rus, and you know the child, who were they? They both were a lady, both were women, they both were female. But don't try to underestimate the bravery of these two girls. These two girls showed the world that she can do anything. And these two used to dropping the bomb on Germany. And one more point is here to know about the planes. The Soviet plane named the Policar POV-PO2 was especially made of plywood and canvas. The plane was made of plywood and canvas over a Soviet railway junction. The manufacturing site was on a railway junction in Soviet. Their passage was on its way to being a routine patrol, and they used to they have made a routine when and where these two pilots, which were female, have to run, have to patrol, have to watch, have to guard the borders of the Soviet Rus. In that course, you can learn that the enemy were confronted by a collection of German bombers, and they were in number of 42. A troop of German bombers in a number of 42 confronted these two pilots. Confronted means disturbed. Confronted means disturbed these two pilots, women pilots, female pilots. But there is some disadvantage of being a plane of plywood. On the other hand, there is some advantages also. The advantage was their speed is low than the speed of Germans, and being low speed, this plane can be dived anywhere, anytime, come on earth successfully. And yes, undoubtedly this plane also had some disadvantage, and the disadvantage is of plywood and canvas that can easily caught fire in it and burnt into ashes. So when once these two female pilots were patrolling, a troop of Germans of 42 came and attacked on these two female pilots. These two pilots, female pilots, are very clever and very dutiful. They dived very easily and come back. But unfortunately, their planes burst into fire. They have to come on the ground, and the people of the area gathered there, thinking what is happening. And in that course, the people of the ground wanted to help these two pilots, but these two pilots are not in the position to take any help because they were also afraid or nothing knowing about the people of this ground is our friend or enemy, where they don't conform themselves. So the alcohol which was offered by the local people after crashing the plane, they refused, and once again they tried to fly. These two female pilots were also injured very seriously, burned many places, but didn't lose their courage. Courage is the most part things of the war. You can win a war if you have courage. If you have no courage, whatever be the troop, you can't fight. Like the 42 number of the troop of German has to back, and these only two female pilots faced the situation very bravely, very successfully, and they fly from there. Till the war was continued, these two pilots never tried to take rest. They were always in duty, and they want to serve the country. They had decided that whatever be with us, no matter, we have to fight. Okay. And usually these two pilots made a plan to attack on Germany in night, when all the peoples were in home or the silence is there. Due to this action, these two pilots were known as night witches. People used to call these two night witches. These two are witches. They don't think that they are the member of the Air Force of Soviet Rus. They used to think that they are night witches, Raat ka bhoot. They came suddenly and disappear. These are so active in fight that in a few seconds after attacking, they used to be disappear. No one can see them. Therefore, these two are known as night witches. They sent their planes into dive, returning fires directly into the center of the German formation. People on the ground offered alcohol, but the offer was refused. Their mission were dangerous, as I have said you. No doubt the mission were very dangerous. So, now here is a question that you can ask, how the night witches are named. So, very easy cause is there. These two regiment of the Soviet Rus used to attack in night. They used to come suddenly and disappear. This is the main cause to named night witches. And these two never mind about the calling night witches. They were always, and lastly the war was summed up, and all people of German or Soviet came back to his country, and these two are awarded through the government of Soviet Rus, and from that time the plane was named POV PO2 because the member of the flight, one is POV, another is PO, both are together 2. So at that time this was called POV PO2. That's all about the story, and I hope you will make answer, and whatever be the problem we will touch you next time. Okay, thank you.